All right, good afternoon, everybody. Today I share with you how to create your YouTube account from the scratch, which is creating the Google account, otherwise known as Gmail. So if you don't have Gmail, but these days everyone has Gmail accounts. If you have gmail.com, you have a Gmail already. So this step is not needed for you. But if you don't have a Gmail account, I'm going to teach you how to create one, which is very, very simple. So let's get right into it. All right, go to Google Chrome and type create Gmail account. Type in your first name and your last name as this, just as you see me do. Yes, your last name. Now fill in your basic information, your date of birth, your day, month, year, as well as your gender, if you're male or female, fill in that. Then click on next. Okay, this is me filling female. Click on next. Okay, after that you see some set of suggested Gmail for you. Click on one or you customize your own. As for me, I clicked on mine. Then you create password. Make sure you're creating a strong password. Okay, create a strong password. Then you confirm. Click to confirm your pressing the same password again to confirm that password. Then click on next. Then it will take you to where you add recovery email, but I'm not adding, so I'll press skip. I'm not adding this. I'll click on skip. Then press next. Review your Gmail account. Review your Gmail account. Okay, and you see your terms and conditions. Read through, then click on agree to terms and condition. Voila, you have your Gmail account created. All right, thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you.